forces.
Yo guys, what is up? It's Rand 1305 and I'm back for another YouTube video. And this guys, we are in Madeira and this is day 2 of my well, not really day 2, more like day 4. But I didn't film the second day, the third day, or in what is it, the fourth day? I don't know if it's the fifth or 4th day, I'm not sure, but anyway, this is day 2 of the vlog, that's all that matters. We're in Madeira. What the fuck? To you guys. Anyway, we are in Madeira. You know, we were in La Queen, but it was nothing much to see. And plus, why do I want to head into a town that got relegated from La Liga? But anyway, we're gonna head to, well, we're gonna go off into Madeira. We'll go first do the toboggan one, which is like cable car goes straight top, and then we're going down this long road, and then hopefully we'll probably do something else after that, and then I'm gonna head to the Ronaldo Museum and show you everything in there, like his Ballon d'Ors, his, you know, like everything pretty much, and see, you know, what he's got. Like, I'll probably show you Ballon d'Ors, his statue, his Premier League trophy, well, yeah, one trophy and one many, but his La Liga trophies, like everything he's won there, and I'll show you what he got. But yeah guys, I'll see you guys when we probably hopefully get to the toboggan one, or when we're getting up there, I don't know. But yeah guys, I'll see you guys in a second. So guys, well, I'm now in Madeira. Yes, I know, I was like,
yay.
Wow. Hey Tom.
Hi Dan.
Anyway guys, we're now gonna go make our way up to this thing called the toboggan one, where we're just in like a little basket and go down a hill with no handlebar to hang on to. So I'm scared. I feel like I'm gonna die. So, but after that, I can just head to the Ronaldo Museum and explore. And it's so good, this town. The place where Ronaldo was born, and I'm in it. Wow, I can't wait. So excited to see what's around. I probably filmed the toboggan one as well. But yeah guys, I'll see you guys when I get up to the toboggan, which for you guys will be 2 seconds, for me about 5-10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes at most. So yeah guys, I'll see you guys in a second.
Whoa.
Yo, what's up guys?
Yo guys, what is up?
Yo!
We are
Yo,
in
guys!
a cabin car, I guess you call it?
Cable car.
Cable car, that's it. And yeah guys, we're on our way up there. If you can see,
Banana palm.
Jesus Christ.
Oh,
Look how
That looks like a willy.
nice. Look, Free Willy. Look, Free Willy, look, over there.
where?
New, isn't it?
Look,
Kinda looks like
Free
you.
Willy. Hey, that does not look like me at all.
Yeah, it does.
What, I look like a beach whale?
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah.
Damn. Is that smoke or is that cloud?
Cloud.
It looks like smoke.
That's all.
I'm sorry, but who wants to get a house in the clouds?
That would be cool. You
Jesus
can get
Christ.
wet whenever you want.
Look at that.
Swimming pool
It's down
there?
there.
Look.
Broken.
No, oh my god.
Wait, what?
There was
That's a nice
there was
villa.
like, Mum, there was like a cave in
I find it quite weird
the
that all stacks on top of each other. All left our boat.
It looks like, what's it called? It's like a
Pirate
slum.
ship out there.
Don't you think it looks like a slum? They've all been stacked on top of each other.
Yeah, but a lot of it where it's, some of them have got burned, didn't they?
Mum,
It's further up, you see.
Yeah, it'll be further
What's the
up.
matter?
I saw there was like a cave and there was like
Ooh,
house
that's so
there.
cool.
There was
And that's
famous
hot.
people.
Anyway guys, I'll see you guys when I get up to the toboggan
Were you
one.
vlogging that whole time?
Yeah. So guys, we are in the Ronaldo Museum. And that's all signed by Ronaldo. Jesus Christ. He needs to get a new one. Oh my god, this is the man, the myth, the legend. Like, this is so sick. Man, how did he end up at war? Oh yeah, he won Ballon d'Or. Golden Boot, Ballon d'Or, UEFA's best player. Oh my actual god, tennis. This is just so incredible. Oh, look at that light. Oh, Cristiano Ronaldo. That isn't it a new one? I thought it's new. Or that's last year's kit.
Oh, it's 2017 last year.
There you go. Oh look, I remember these. He wear them when he was being announced for them. 400 goals, 101 goal, Champions League goals, 150 goals. Jesus Christ. Oh look, the Premier League title. Oh my actual god. Dad, look. The Premier League title's here, Dad. It's not over United, it's actually here with Ronaldo. It's not there with United anymore, it's with Ronaldo. We bought it off them. I feel that's like quite one of the oldest ones, I think. 2008. Oh look, the best. The Euro 2016 Cup. UEFA European Football Championship 2016. That's quite a new one. The best award. Really the best. Oh, is that the Ballon d'Or? Oh, there's 4 of them. That doesn't he have 5 now? Oh, I forgot. I'm actually. Oh my actual god. There's 4. Oh yeah, I forgot everyone's 4. The Champions League trophy. Oh my god. He won it with United, Dad, didn't he? That's an old one. Oh my actual god. Yeah, he won it on penalties, didn't he? Yeah, 6-5 penalties. What's this? FIFA Club World Cup. Oh my god. Sick. He's just literally looking in J Trophy cabinet. Except much bigger. On a much bigger scale. Oh, what's this? Well, that's the Spanish League trophy. 2011-2012. This is great to see. Oh my actual lord. 2015, 2016. Oh, when was that against Atletico, wasn't it? This is so great. I love Ronaldo, he's so good. Better than Messi in my opinion. Oh my actual god. Oh, what's this? What? Is this his personal... Oh yeah, he got Athlete of the Year. Don't know what these are. I think this is like his personal ones. Yikes. One better for me, what's this? He's sick trophy. Guys, this is so sick. I'm not even kidding, this is so sick. Guys, I'll get back to you if I see anything else I like. There you go, that's the other one. Oh wait, I forgot he won 2 penny drops, didn't he? The Community Shield. Absolutely legend. Oh yeah, the Euros. That's his band. Medals. Confederations Cups, Cuba Cups, the Spaniard, Champions League medals, pass. I mean, he's done it all. Look, the World Cup, the Champions League final medals there. Look, this one is. Look, he's all right there. He must come back most of the time. Oh my god. Still second best playmaker. Top goal scorer. Look at all these trophies he's won, like. I actually can't believe it. Like, so many. More than me. There we go. We've got like, and more trophies here. More upon more upon more. This is incredible. And this is not even it, guys. Like, there's still more. Those two there. I don't know what they are. Marker. I don't know what that is, but there we go, there's more. Man and Match Federation Cup 2017. Good. Oh, these are. Oh, wait, these are. Oh, yeah. Oh my actual god. Euros 2012 against Czech Republic. 2-0 against Wales. Man match. Man of the match. Like, this is. I actually can't believe it, man. This is. World Cup Japan. Like, how's he done it? Like, oh my god. And there's the man himself. Well, not the actual man, but that's Ronaldo. Oh my god. Jesus Christ, so many Portuguese medals. Oh my god. It's just his personal achievements. It's incredible. It's just fascinating, guys. I'm not even kidding. So fascinating. Medals as well. 2010 World Cup medal. FIFA World Cup Brazil. Beijing Olympics. Champions League 2009. Like, he's done it all. And he's still got more to achieve at Juventus, guys. I'm not even kidding. Some of this stuff is incredible. Like, how has he done it? Mini Premier League trophy, lol. That's jokes. Oh my god. Some of this stuff looks so expensive. Don't worry about Saud Al Jami. This might be just worth millions. Like, guys, this is just incredible to look at. What the hell is that? Looks like a kind of blade or something. Like gold and silver. Oh, you met Nelson Mandela? I didn't realise you met him. Don't know who that guy is. Ronaldo, Sabio Cup. Hugo Alvaro. Oh, that's the 320 world history for Real Madrid. There we go. See his clubs. CF, Andorina, Nacional, Lisbon, United. Way out, and also they got probably Attack Juventus just down there. And that was literally signed by Ronaldo as well. In 2012, Madrid. I think that's the Barcelona versus Madrid. El Clasico. Jesus. Just these light sculptures and very personally liked. Why does it look a bit like Dean Weir there? I do not know. He looks like Dean Weir in that picture. Oh my god. So much to see. Like, guys, this is incredible. Oh, what's this one? I don't think I've seen this one yet. Who's the Club World Cup? Yeah, this is one for one against Juventus. There you go, see that. Like, all the trophies are here. Like, to just West, I guess, until he dies and then they get sold on, unless they keep them. I don't know. I don't really get that. Once he did die though, like, what they do? Oh yeah, this is best awards. I mean, you wait for Men Player of the Year. Pretty impressive. Oh look, there's him in the new Juventus kit. Looks very nice to be fair. Looks very nice indeed. So, probably needs to update a bit, but overall looks quite good. And then there's the... Oh yeah, I forgot they got the Champions League badges. 1 goals. Just incredible, guys. The trophies he's won, the money he's made from the beautiful game itself is just incredible. There's his... What Ballon d'Or is this? 2050. Oh my god. Spanish Super Cups. Oh my god, he's won the Spanish Super Cup as well. Covered their way. Oh my god. 30 goals for the Golden Boot. 20 goals. The Olympics. Jesus Christ. All these trophies. If Ronaldo is watching us, then well done, mate. You made history of being one of the most successful football players of all time. Oh my god. I think that's the away kit. No, it's nice. Might buy it. Like, it just looks incredible. There's a nice painting someone's done. A silver green, I think it's called. Let's see what's over here. Is that another Champions League trophy? Yep, yes it is. I think that, yep. That's another Champions League trophy he's won. Football Association's Challenge Cup. Oh, these golden boots. The golden boot. Absolutely insane. And look at all these balls he's signed. Champions League, his boots. Like, he's pretty much won everything in football. He's won the match ball like plenty of times. Oh my god. Some more balls. Yes. There we go. The 2010 Champions League final top in Moscow. I think that was against Chelsea. All signed by the Purse, I think. I mean, I think. I can't remember. There's a few people that look. He's got personal boots. I think my brother has some of them, but not like he has. It's absolute. I can't speak, guys, because it's just awesome to look at. Carling Cup, he's won. Young Player of the Year. Oh my god, there's more Ballon d'Ors. Like, we've got MVP. 400 goals. Barclays player. Oh yeah, I remember when it was last sponsored by Barclays in 2006. I remember that. Look at all this. What the hell? Player of the Year 2003, 2004. Junior member. Oh my god. We're literally deep into Ronaldo's history. This is quality history here. Oh my actual god. Caps. Whatever these is, I don't know. I don't know what it is, but if anyone knows what it is, then let me know. But yeah, 2014. Didn't really like that kit, to be fair. Like that kit, that was quite nice. But I'm not a Man United fan. The best player. Not bad. I think that's another. What's this? So, yeah, another Ballon d'Or 2008. I've got 5 of them. Now I've got the last thing I've got Sheffield just over there. Now I've got to check over here, guys, to see what is that. just like that. There's nothing. That's not bad. Oh my god. So much is won. I literally got about everything. I just now got to get a picture of Ronaldo over there in the new Juventus kit to end off this vlog, I guess. Well, maybe I might end off this part of it. A picture of Ronaldo. But yeah, looks me all these trophies this one now. Oh my god. Hello, that's me. Ah, that's good though.
So tonight we are losing this fight. Oh, help out. So tonight is no one outside who's gonna help our souls tonight.